Naniniwala si House Ad Hoc Committee on the Bangsamoro Chair Rufus Rodriguez na posible nang makamit ang kapayapaan sa Mindanao sa pamamagitan ng pagpasa ng panukalang Bangsamoro Basic Law. Sinabi rin ng mambabatas na mahalagang maipabatid sa mga mamamayan ng BBM. Isang paraan din dito ay ang pagsalin sa iba't ibang salita. Yan naman ang tinutukan namin kasama sa Emil Carion.
Makasaysayan sa bansa ang patuloy na mga hakbangin ng pamahalaan tungo sa kapayapaan. Sa loob ng halos 5 dekada ng karahasan sa lupang pangarap ay mas malapit na ngayon ang usapin sa realidad. Sa programang Radyo Vision Media ng Bayan, inilahad ni Ad Hoc Chair at 2nd District Cagayan de Oro Representative Rufus Rodriguez ang pinakahuling pangyayari sa usaping BBM.
12 congressmen approached me and wanted to give further additional na mga amendments. That is why we have to accommodate them because we are inclusive. We cannot shut out congressmen who still want to have amendments. So 12 of them presented more amendments, and because of that, we need to consolidate all the papers of all the amendments in one document, which we cannot do immediately the next day. And so also the request of many that these are new proposed amendments, kailangan pag-aralan din.
Taong 1992, pagkadeklara ng martial law ay lalo pang lumala ang gyera sa Mindanao. Ito rin ang nagpabagal sa inaasam na pagunlad.
The important provisions of this bill are really Article 5, which are the powers of government, where, for example, 58 exclusive powers like education, health, social service, they know better than people in Manila on what the Bangsamoro needs. So you give that to them. What will be, how many school buildings they would need, the teachers should be well-trained, how many health centers. So those are the exclusive powers, 50. And there is also 24 concurrent powers. Our powers of government reserved for the national government only is about 9 to 10. So we are saying that we are giving them fuller political autonomy. And then the other important provision here, Francis and Vivian, is Article 12, fiscal autonomy. What is this? This is the giving of funds, the annual block grant, the special development fund. Because if you give additional powers of autonomy to a region like the Bangsamoro, it has to be backed up by resources.
Dagdag pa ni Representative Rodriguez, lagpas na sa 120,000 katao ang bilang ng mga nasawi dahil sa walang tigil na kaguluhan. Isang kakaibang ginagawa ngayon ng Kongreso ang pagsalin sa Pilipino at iba't iba pang salita na mas maintindihan ng bawat Pilipino ang batas para lalong maipakalat ang napapanahong impormasyon. Dito ay mauna ang telebisyon ng bayan.
We will be the first, you will be the first station we will come to once we finish the voting and be able to discuss with you what are the final changes. Because your network is so wide, it's all over the country.
Para sa telebisyon ng bayan, si Emil Carion.